We will start filling up our base here with a pencil on the lowermost branch of the tree. Draw such small leaves such that they are very close to each other and don't keep any space in between. Do the same thing for the next branch as well, but just on the lower side. So again, repeat. Start from the corner. Do this on all the branches which is facing on the lower side there, on the other end as well. All these, this side, this one, this one. So once that is done, take a small marker. We are not using fine marker in this at all. Take a small marker and outline them. Finish the whole thing. If you are comfortable without drawing the pencil and directly with the marker, that's also fine. Now this time we will do the same design but on the upper side of the branch. So if you notice, it's the same thing. We are drawing leaves without leaving spaces on the upper branch. Do this for all. See, Madhubani is about filling up all the spaces and not leaving any. So what we will do is, again we'll start with the any one upper or lower branch, and we will extend one more layer of leaves like this, such that it looks as if it is coming from beneath, or it is on the one layer behind. Okay. And then fill up the empty spaces again, but this time do it from the lower branch. Just draw these curves and such that the upper one is overlapping this, or whatever you're drawing is still one layer behind. So this will give you a 3D effect automatically once the whole diagram is over. We'll fill up the leaves now. With the same small marker, draw this curved design inside. Draw a line till the tip. Take an green color sketch pen and fill up those small curves which we just made. This is called Bharni in Madhubani, to fill up the space with colors. We took an extra small marker this time and made these veins of the leaves, slanting lines on both the sides. You know how leaf has these lines in it. This is called Kachni. This is like filling up the space but not with color, just with patterns. So we do this for the whole thing. And this is going to take time, but we need to finish it. See, this will clearly show the difference between the two. This is completely filled and this is like empty. So the more you fill in the pattern, the darker that part looks. So once we have done this, now it's time to fill in the branch. The center of attraction in Madhubani, as I told you earlier, is the double line. So with an extra small marker again, we are going to make such double line border inside each and every branch. And this I will do it in a total continuous pattern, extending from the one branch on the right hand side till the left hand side. And we shall continue the same thing in the roots as well. So most of the part of the branches and roots will be filled up by the double lining. So with this we will be completing our upper half of the tree, that is the shoot of the tree.